Kiss of the Lake by CATHY DELANSSAY in size 75 by 60 cm. Round special treatment. We have version 1, ice crystals that we have sprinkled on the water just to give it a glistening look like that of actual water. So sprinkle it only on the water. And then for version 2, we've got fire opal that we have sprinkled on the fairy's wings, right over here. So remember, when you're sprinkling, don't make it so calculated where you're skipping every 3 squares or every 5 squares or creating an actual shape. It has to seem like it's more of how paint would look when you paint something using a brush, a paintbrush. So you can do like a gradient sort of effect. I placed it merely on the darker gray areas and then cascading towards the lighter areas of the wings to give it this look. And finally, for version 3, we have electric diamonds that we have placed on the white specks of the fish, and this will give it that scales sort of look. So if we go closely, obviously I just kind of sprinkled it right now so you can see what I'm talking about, but when you start placing your electric diamonds on the fish, you can choose to place it on those round spots that we see. That's white. Those will act like the shiniest part of the fish's scales, and that's where you will place your electric diamonds. So once again, for Kiss of the Lake version 3, we've got ice crystals on the water, fire opal on the fairy's wings, and finally electric diamonds for the scales of the fish.